Hello, welcome to Python for Data Science and Machine Learning. In this first part of the course, you will learn about NumPy. What is NumPy? It is a linear algebra library for Python. It provides easy and convenient tools for dealing with matrices, arrays, and operations on them. It is extremely fast and most data science libraries depend on it. It is easy to learn and it is the perfect first step to take if you want to learn about data science libraries in Python. To follow this course, you will need a basic understanding of Python and Anaconda installed on your computer. Anaconda is a Python environment that will make a lot of things much easier and more convenient for us. To install it, please follow instructions in the description of this video. To make sure that NumPy itself is installed, run conda install NumPy. Or in case you decided not to install Anaconda, you may also run pip install NumPy, and that will also work with ordinary Python installation. So in this part of the course, you will learn about NumPy arrays, which can be either one-dimensional, that is vectors, or two-dimensional, which is called matrices. And you will learn the most important NumPy methods for performing operations on them. We will get started in the next video.